Flamingos are naturally gray, but their diet transforms them into the iconic pink we all recognize. These elegant birds feast on brine shrimp and algae rich in carotenoids, pigments that turn their feathers that stunning shade of pink. It's like nature's own version of a beauty makeover, where the saying "you are what you eat" takes on a whole new level of truth. As flamingos filter their food through their unique beaks, they absorb these vibrant pigments, which migrate into their feathers, skin, and even beaks, gradually painting their plumage with breathtaking hues. This transformation isn't just for show, it reflects their health and vitality. So next time you spot a flamingo, remember that its rosy glow is a testament to its diet, a vivid reminder of how nature's palette works wonders in the animal kingdom. The more carotenoid-rich their meals, the pinker they become, making every flamingo a living canvas of its culinary choices.